guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you how to make these super cute DIY stickers. Yeah, they're basically just stickers that you peel off the back and it's a sticker. They are also great for slime labels. Also, if you want to buy any of my slime shop will be in the link in the description down below. The video is not about slime, it is about these super cute stickers. So let's get started. Okay guys, so what you're going to need, focus. So what you're going to need are packing tape, scissors, thick paper. This does not matter guys, you can even use normal computer paper, but it's just I recommend thick paper and wax paper. I would definitely recommend a fine liner, guys. I just have this micro liner here. This is a 0.5 millimeter. You can get a thinner one or a thicker one of your choice, but I'm just using this one. You don't have to use a fine liner. This is just a recommendation. Okay, guys, now that we finally have all our supplies, let's get started. Guess what? This is just if you want to make your own designs. I made this myself. I colored this, drew this myself, my idea. But you can also print stuff from your computer and it will make everything easy. Let's finally get started. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is sketch out your idea. I'm doing this little llama as cotton candy. You can follow my idea or do your own, but that's the first step. Okay guys, so I am like halfway done with my sketch. I'm just doing the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and some minor details. One eye was really wonky, so I just have to kept fixing it, and then I did the little like stick part. I don't know what you call that. And then I started fine lining it with a purple Pigma Micron. You can do this however you want. You don't even have to use them like any fine liner. You can just leave it like black and white if you want. I don't care. Anything you guys want that like suits you or whatever. So yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm adding in the color. I'm just using a Copic color R20 to fill in my little llama corn thing. I don't know what you call it. Cotton corn? I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. And then I filled that whole entire thing in. I'm using this hoo marker to shade some of the parts of the llama. And yeah, it turned out super cute, guys. I'm just barely doing the edges. You can do whatever you want, what kind of shading you want. But yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to be cutting out, you're going to be wanting to cut out your design. I'm just cutting mine out, out of frame, yep, okay, let's go, okay. And I'm just cutting a little bit around it, leaving a little bit of white paper. Trust me guys, you're going to want to do this because you're going to know why in just a minute. But just cut a little around it, and yeah, so just cut the whole thing out, and yeah. Just exactly how I explained it, and yeah, cut out all the ones that you made, or if you just made one, and even if it's your print design, just cut around that too, leaving a little bit of white paper left. Now I'm on to my second design. I'm doing like this little drip this little drip thingy. It's like for my channel, it's like Miss Slimy Donuts. It's like this donut drip drizzle thing coming. So that's what I'm doing. I'm using my Pigma Microns once again to do this, and I ended up this basically was a waste of time because I ended up doing a bolder line with black, but then I'm just coloring it with my hoo-hoos, and yeah. And like I said guys, I did it with a bolder line because I didn't like what it looked like before, but yeah. Kids, I'm making another one, and look, comic of the year. That was pretty cool. Okay guys, this is an important part. Now I'm laying my wax paper down and putting a strip of clear tape. Now I'm just cutting that, guys, and oh, then there goes my tripod. there goes it again. And as you can see, I'm just putting my designs on top of the clear packing tape. And if your designs don't fit all the way, you can just put another one above that and like layer it, like how I ended up doing. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just layering the tape so then the stickers can fit. But yeah, I'm just gonna place it on there, and after that, you're gonna be putting another piece of clear tape over that. So yeah, guys, this is very important because this is how you make your sticker. And then you're gonna be putting another. Then you're gonna be pressing all around so it sticks very good to the tape. You have that nice clear, sorry, I can't think, wow. Brain bar. You have that nice clear, shiny look on your sticker. But yeah, after, as you can see, I pressed all them down and they look like that. Next, what you're going to be doing, this is also very important, you're going to be cutting around your sticker, not to the very edge. You're going to be cutting around it like this, because if you do it too close, then the sticky part will fall off. So make sure to do this. Now these are all of them together. Aren't they just so cute, guys? They are so cute. I absolutely love them. What is it? Like love? Absolutely love them, guys. They are so adorable. You can put these anywhere you want.
Guys, and
I
that
wouldn't recommend a water bottle because
the end
they
of the
definitely
video.
come off, but yeah.
So, guys, comment down below if you guys like these stickers. Yes, I love them. I absolutely love them. Like, look at how cute this is. I can't wait to put this somewhere. It's so
If you haven't
adorable.
already, make sure to hit that subscription bell down below. And after you hit that, there will be a bell. Make sure to click that so you are notified every time that I post. Also, guys, make sure to comment down below of what designs did you do for your stickers, and also like this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!